Mukadzi wamuprofita Branson na Wicknell Chivayo voramba machats vachiti aiwa aya akaeditwa. Hi Chit Chat family, welcome back to this channel. Welcome. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I'm going to post here, guys. So Shadaya sezvaakambotaura kuti ukaona wakuexplaina uri kunyepa, ndizvo zvakuitika. Why vasina kumbobvira vaexplaina pamazuva mashoma apfuura? Asi ikwe zvino tunoona isusu mukadzi waprofeti achisvika pakutsanangura kuti aiwa inini machats aya handimazive, akafekwa, akagadzirirwa, ini handina kumbobvira ndataura zvakadaro. Pamwe chetezvo na Wicknell Chivayo anotiwo zvekare aiwa vanhu vakaedita machats inini handizvizive. Mai muprofita vanisa paInstagram pavo story vachiti, I don't normally respond to things that people say about me because I honestly don't see the need to when the people that matter know the truth. But it is very sad that we live in a world where people would actually be so heartless to the extent of editing normal conversation and conversations and directing them to come out as something they are not, just to suit a narrative that they want to push, hence making the whole story fake to push their agenda. Whether it is for likes, views, or revenge, only God knows. A lie indeed goes around the world while the truth is still putting on it. And the comment section was like, futsek. Saka nhasi pane need yekuresponda because why? Vamwe vakati why muri kuisa Mwari? And even God surprised. Hamuna here kuti baba John yes or no, wakaoma wakunyepa so hauchatsiurike, ukaona wakunyepa so hauchatsiurike. Saka nhasi pane need yekuresponda here. In short, tese tiri masaskam, iye Wicknell iye na Wicknell ndivo vane brain. Then ngatinzwei kuti Wicknell akanyorawo kuti chii. Hanzi na Wicknell, for the record, not everything requires a response, but this continued relentlessly attack on my personal standing, coordinated character, assassinating of high-profile people, and defamation of poorly innocent women using my name can never be tolerated or ignored. I have been appalled that over the last few days, almost every social media platform has been awash with screenshots reportedly taken from my Instagram account. I desolate myself from these fake screenshots and dismiss them in their entirety as nothing more than malicious fabrications being sponsored by criminals who realized that their attempt to extort me was dismally unsuccessful. The message was so large, but anyway ndizvo zvavakataura. Saka paya panosora Shadaya tofana kumuteerera because anenge achitaura chokwadi. Bye guys, please subscribe.